Me and my team created a web application for our CS411 databases class, which is basically a web application that allows users to search and query all the bus tickets listed from all the major bus websites such as Peoria Charter, Lex Express, Suburban Express, all in one stop, so that users don't have to jostle around between websites. And there's additional advanced functionality for querying so that they can see the results very clearly and be able to compare readily. And what users can do is they can register, but I already have a registration set up, so I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to log in here. I'm going to log in as admin for a second. And basically what the admin can do is change all the data in the data table, and he can update or delete any of these rows, but that's only if you're an admin. So I'm going to log out and be a little more reasonable user. So once we go back to the home page, we're logged in. You can see here the username is the username I chose. And every user has a preference set. So for example, they could set it to lowest price or earliest departure or earliest arrival. And so their search results will be they'll be tailored to that preference. So when search results return for any given day or for any given query, they'll be optimized to return the lowest price first. It'll show the lowest prices first if that's what you so chose as your preference. But I'm just going to go ahead and do a basic search here. So let's go from Peoria to Chicago, and let's go on the 27th. Let's just do a basic search. So we have the departure arrival time and the date that it leaves. Obviously we chose the 27th, and then we have the origin, place of origin that we start our trip, our destination, which is like O'Hare in Chicago, and the price, the company name, and the website for that company. And that's just the basic search, and it just returns all the rows just very clearly. But we could also do a more advanced search. And these searches, these basic searches, if you're logged in to any search, it will tailor your to your preference. So I believe this one is latest arrival. That's the preference that I have set for my username. So it'll display search results in order of latest arrival first. So as you can see, this arrives at late at night, so it obviously sorted in that order, and that's what it does for all possible queries. And the more advanced query uses this table actually. And let's say we're going from normal to Chicago on the 26th. Let's do an advanced search, and what this does, so there's no days. Let's go from Peoria to Chicago. 26th. Okay, there's one. So this search result basically lists around the day that you chose. It lists other days that you might be interested in based on your preference. So my preference is latest arrival, so it's going to choose the latest arrival for each day and display it in the calendar so I can readily choose which day I want to look at more closely. And that's basically a little more user-friendly, so that the user can see the data for each and every day instead of having to go through each and every day and see what the latest arrival is. If he wants to leave at the latest time, he can just see it right in the table around the day that he wants to leave. So yeah, that's basically it. And yep, that's our project.